So after you finish installing the Focusrite software, you open up your FL Studio. So now we have opened up our FL Studio. So the Focusrite driver will now help you to hear your output recorded through your headphone and also with your computer. So the next thing you need to do is to connect your Focusrite cord to your laptop or your computer. Then after which you open your FL Studio. Then you go to options and you go to audio settings. So in audio setting on your PC, you're going to see your Focusrite USB as your driver. I click. Then after which, if you are using your Mac laptop, you're going to connect your Focusrite. Then for playback tracking, click hybrid. So if you also want to change the sample rate of your project, you just go to that place rating sample rate and change it, and also change your buffer length and buffer size. So this is basically on how to connect your Focusrite sound card to FL Studio.